Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Oracle Cloud. Let's get into it. First, go to the main web address. Open your internet browser on your computer, type the main login web address into the top bar, and press enter. Wait for the page to load until you see the box that asks for your main account group name. You have to open this page so the system can prepare your specific login screen. Without this step, you would just be looking at a blank page instead of starting your daily tasks. Next, type your account cloud name. You need to tell the system the unique name of your main account group, which is often found in the welcome email you received when you first signed up. Click inside the box that says Cloud Account Name or Tenant Name and type your special account name. Check the spelling of the name carefully and click the blue Next button to move forward. By typing in your specific group name, you are telling the computer exactly which private folder it needs to search for your profile. It ensures that you are sent to your own company or personal login box instead of someone else's. Next, enter your user identity and secret password. Now that you are at your personal login screen, you need to provide your private login identity and your secret password. Type your personal sign-in name into the first box and your secret password into the second box. Make sure you use the correct uppercase and lowercase letters for your password so the lock can open correctly. This step proves to the computer that you are the real owner of the account. By typing in your private details, you unlock the security gate. It is the key step to getting the right output and keeping your cloud files completely safe from strangers who might try to look at your work. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.